like a Hellcat.
Hey guys, my name is Shubh and this is Ansh. And we're going to teach you how to do a long ball. Let's go! Okay guys, so long ball is a pass given to opponent who's further away from you on the field. A long ball can also be given as a through ball in order to assist your teammate so that he can break through the enemy's defense and go for an attempt on the goal. Okay guys, so there are two types of long passes you can give. One is a lob pass in the air or one is a grounded pass along the ground. So for a lob pass, what you want to do is you want to hit at the bottom of the ball so that you can give it height. But along with height, you need power. So for power, you want to hit it a little harder so it goes a long distance and it gets height. For a grounded ball, what you want to do is you either want to hit in the middle or a little above the middle so it goes along the ground. Okay guys, so as you see in the previous video, for a short pass, we use the instep of a foot to hit the middle of the ball. But for a long pass, you want to use the laces part of your shoe or a little bit to the side of it, like this part right over here. So for the two types of long passes, either a lob pass or a grounded pass. So you want to use this part of the shoe. To a lob pass, you want to hit at the bottom with this part, and for a grounded pass, you want to hit right above the middle or on the middle with the same part of the shoe. Okay guys, so just like a previous video in short passes, we want to know where to put a weak foot. So for long passes, you want to put a weak foot next to the ball but a little in front of it. So when you're taking a run up, your weak foot will come in front, not to the side of it like in the previous video for short passes. So when you're taking the run up, you want to go put your weak foot in front of it and then follow through with the ball. Okay guys, so the next step is a follow through. You want to make sure a follow through is perfect along with all the previous steps mixed with it. So first you want to take your run up. Make sure weak foot is in front of the ball and your other foot which you're kicking with, you want to make contact with the lace part, and for a lob pass which I'm going to do right now, you want to hit it at the bottom. So like this. Okay guys, so this is how it looks all together. Okay guys, so now for the grounded pass. For the grounded pass, you want to do exact same thing except that you want to hit the ball in the middle or a little bit above the middle. This is how it looks like. Okay guys, so there's one more part I would like to add. While giving a lob pass in the air, there are two types you can give. You can give either a curved pass or a straight lob pass. In a curved pass, you will want to swing your leg around so it gives a curved motion and it goes around. But in a straight pass, you will want to give the ball a little bit of backspin so it goes directly straight to your opponent. This is how it looks like. First I'm going to do the curved pass. As you can see, the ball has curved a little. Now I'll show you what a direct straight pass to opponent is. As you can see, this ball had backspin and not a curve. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel and write your opinions in the comment section down below and give us your ideas of what we should do next. And don't forget, keep exploring those skills.